Emily Hesketh, I'm 17 and I'm currently a business student, and I run a social enterprise called Changing Rooms, Changing Lives. So we offer a young person a package consisting of 3 things: a loan of a quality donated interview outfit, providing employability support through our partners, local and national, and we work with college students, so hair and beauty, fashion, media, photography. They can all be involved because a young person does perform a lot to a better standard when they feel their best and look their best. I have been speaking to the outreach team at Coleg Llandraslow from National Assembly for Wales. I think the main aim of support in assisting young people into work is moving away from the traditional routes such as A-levels, sixth form, and looking at apprenticeships and self-employment, because I think that's the way forward.